Good morning, friends. Let's continue with our exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Find the common factor of the given term. So, two terms are given. Here, not combined, it is not binomial, but two separate terms are given. So, one is 12x and another one is 36. So, we will find the factors of it. So, 2, 2 are 4, 3 are 12 into x. Similarly over here, so 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 3 means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 12, 3s are 36. Now these are the prime factors. Now we want to find common factor. So common factor. Okay. So which are the common factor? You know it very well. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 is over here. Here another 2. So we will write common for this. And these two are common. And this 3 is also common. Now here these two are not common because here not 3 and here not x. So total makes 2 2s are, if you find the product of it, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is a common factor for these two terms given over here. Similarly, you can go for 2y and 22y given. So 2 into y and 22 means 2 into 11 into y. So common factor is 2 and y in both. So it will be 2 into y means 2y is a common factor for this. Clear, friends? Now for the third sum we find that is 14pq and 28p square q square. So 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14 prime numbers and p into q. And for 28, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28 into p into q into q. So common factor. Okay. So 2 is a common. Then 7 is common. Then 1 p is common and 1 q is common. Okay. So the answer, the product of these two is 2 7s are 14. PQ is a product. Common number. Factors we can say. Same way we go for here also to 2x. Three numbers are given. 3x square and 4. So 2 into x. So 3 into x and 2 2s are 4. So here as we go that common factor. So we find that here 2 but not here 2. So not possible in 3, all the three terms. So there is nothing common found between them. Here x but not here. So we cannot take x also. So 2 and x is not possible. Here also not possible here. So no common factor means 1 is common for everyone because it doesn't change the product value. So 1 is common one. So 1 is common factor for no common given, then 1 is the only common factor. Clear, friends? Fifth sum, 6 means 2 3s are 6 into a into b into c, and next one is 24. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24 into a into b into b, and 12. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 into a into b. So this is the given factors of it, and now we want to find the common. So common for all the three is 2 over here. Now we don't find 2 over here, so it won't be any common for the 3. Then 3 we find. So 3 is common. Then 1 time a is common we are finding. Okay. So into a. Then 1 time b also we are finding common. Okay. Now c is not common for anyone. So b So now if we find the product, so 6ab is the common factor for this. Likewise, the sixth sum also 16. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 into x into x into x. Now minus, so माइनस को हटाने के लिए सो -1 एक कॉमन लिख दी इंटू 2 इंटू फैक्टर में यूज एंड x इंटू एक्स. नाउ 32, तो 2 2s are 4, सॉरी 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 इंटू x. सो कॉमन फैक्टर अगर निकालते हैं, ओके, सो एक x इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी, देन 2, एक बार 2, दो बार 2, ओके, तो 2 टाइम मिल रहा है, ओके, मीन्स 2 इंटू 2 मीन्स 4 कॉमन निकल रहा है और x एक बार निकल रहा है. So 4x is the common factor among these two. Concept clear? Now 7th and 8th sum is your homework part. Try to do it.